Good morning. Welcome to week 9. And yeah, today is Monday. After the third kilometer, I had some weird pain in my left leg, and it keeps increasing if I keep running. I ran 5 and then I just decided to stop and just walk back home. Don't want to risk it, don't want to make it worse. I don't know what it is, I'll have to figure it out. But random pain, like I was feeling absolutely fine. I had no tiredness in my legs, nothing. And just randomly, we'll see. Not the best start to the week. Tuesday effort session, I'm just gonna go out and see if I can run. I won't come to know by warm up because yesterday I felt the pain post 3 kilometers, but I'll try and see what happens with my leg. So I had like 5 kilometer repeats today. So 5 kilometers into 2. I did one set, but I'm pretty sure there's something wrong with my left leg. So I'm just gonna walk home and I'm gonna call the physio and go and get the leg checked because definitely should not be running with this pain. I know the usual discomfort that I have because of my knee problem, but this is close to an injury. So yeah, I'm gonna just not run till I get this checked by the physio. So apparently there's no like massive issue. I need to start wearing a plantar fasciitis sleeve in my legs while running, and like the acupuncture or the dry needling helped a lot, and it's loosened my left leg quite a bit. I think I need to do this every month because that's the only way to maintain these legs, and since the mileage has gone up, I need to take more care of it. I'm gonna try running tomorrow, and we'll see if that pain comes back or if there's some other issue. We just have to try and see if it works. This part goes at the bottom. So I'm done with 2 kilometers. Sleeve is quite uncomfortable, honestly. And now I'll find out if there's pain. Around 3 and 4 kilometers, I'll find out. Let's see. So I managed 10 kilometers. No real pain, little bit of discomfort. This PF sleeve is, it feels weird. The first 3 kilometers, I was feeling a lot of discomfort, a little bit of pain, just because of wearing that actually. But apart from that, like my legs were fine. Throughout the run, I just had paranoia. Like every kilometer I was like, oh, is the pain gonna build up now? Is it gonna start now? Like especially after the 4th, every kilometer I was like, oh, it's gonna start now. Oh, like I'm gonna start like feeling the pain. But held up. I'm good. I think I'm gonna not do effort session tomorrow. I'm just gonna do like an easy long run or something, or maybe just a 10 kilometer. But super happy that I don't have to stop training. Good morning. Today is Saturday, supposed to be my long runs and effort sessions which I go to Marine Drive to do, but since I wasn't sure about my leg, I decided to just run like an easy 15-16 kilometer in Chembur itself. But I tried to run without that plantar fasciitis sleeve and I couldn't even run 4 kilometers. So I think I'll have to stop training for a bit. I think my leg needs to heal, and I don't think it's something that I should push myself because I don't want to get seriously injured. Like already today's pain was a bit too much compared to the other days. So yeah, I just think I need to take a break from the training cycle, which sucks because I know that I'm going to lose some kind of fitness that I've gained over the past weeks, but this is what I'll have to do if I need to get better and start running again. So yeah, week 9 was a disaster. I did not expect to end training like this, but now I think the next at least 2 weeks is going to be all about like just strength training and trying to heal from this injury. There's nothing else I can do at the moment. So yes, thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.